You remember a few months ago, we were really coping with a big whooping cough outbreak. Students, teachers had to go home early and be vaccinated and coordinated and quarantined. It was a big mess. Well, the outbreak is still in effect and numbers are still rising.
KPAX's Katie Miller spoke to the health department today and has some information on what parents need to know before everybody goes back to school.
That's right. This spring, we brought you extensive coverage of the pertussis outbreak. Back then, health officials expected cases to slow down during summer break. But now they're telling me even more cases are coming in. The most recent one was on Monday.
There's a little bit of a concern that it's still around and that we have had some cases, more of our cases that we've seen through the summer, that were not directly linked to other cases of pertussis, which is telling me that we still are seeing it in the community.
In May, MTN News reported 125 confirmed cases of pertussis in the Missoula area. That number has since risen to 160 cases. Missoula City County Health Department spokesman Cindy Farr says they hired extra nurses to go to schools this spring. She's hoping, come fall, they won't have to do that again.
A lot of kids are going in for their sports physicals right now, so this might be a good time to chat with your doctor about whooping cough and make sure that you're aware of what symptoms to watch for in case we do see a resurgence of it once school year starts.
Farr says babies should be fully vaccinated, and pregnant women, people between the ages of 10 and 12, and adults should receive a Tdap booster. Farr says close contacts are the highest when children are in school. The Tdap vaccine takes 2 to 3 weeks to become effective, so she's encouraging parents to bring their children in before classes start back up. Back to you.
And if you want more information about immunizations, you can call the clinic at 258-3363, the number there on your screen. You can get vaccinations at the Missoula Health Department on Alder Street. Most insurance plans are accepted and they offer a sliding scale if you're uninsured.